Hi, and thanks for being a Barchart subscriber. This short video will show you how to create a new investor portfolio. You'll find the investor portfolio page in the Tools menu as shown here. If you don't have any investor portfolios yet, you will be asked to create your first one. Start by giving your new portfolio a name. This can be any name, alphanumeric characters. Next, set the base currency in which the portfolio's investments will be valued. You will still be able to enter investments priced in different currencies. The portfolio value for these cross-currency investments is constantly recalculated during market hours based on current exchange rates. The next option is Default View. The view determines which data points to overlay on your page when you are viewing your portfolio holdings. In another video, I'll talk about how to create data points using custom views. Default Dividend Reinvest is an important setting. If a stock or a fund pays a dividend or a distribution, should the dividend result in more shares or funds being added to your portfolio? Corporate actions such as dividends and splits are always added to your portfolio. This setting determines whether the dividend will be reinvested in the form of share purchases. Default Cash Adjustment determines the level of complexity you want when setting up your portfolio. Is cash required to make a purchase? When you identify a cash balance, you can have buy and sell transactions reduce and increase the cash balance automatically. Click Create, and now we have our new portfolio. The next step will be to add some transactions. Transaction entry is covered in a separate tutorial. Thanks for watching.